Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Katherine. I'm the Chinese teacher at the TYS.
All right, Miss Catherine, thank you for doing this. And I know this is in your second language. This must be very difficult, so thank you very much.
I will try my best.
What are you doing today, Miss Catherine?
Today we have a fun class because we are making cookies and at the same time we are learning Chinese.
How long have you been teaching?
So I would say it's about 13 years of teaching Mandarin.
What do you think is your personal teaching style?
All the lessons I always prepare for one, knowledge, another one, effectiveness and behavior.
Why did you become a teacher in the first place?
I did not know I would be a teacher. I found that I had a tendency of helping other people. I never realized education is so important because it is the foundation of the human beings.
What makes you such an effective teacher?
I think love is very important, and because kids are always coming to school and then they listen to teachers and do the tests, and also learning how to behave at school.
So what is your favorite thing about teaching?
I think having all the kids engaged in class for the 45 minutes and we stick on the learning. Another favorite things of teaching is that after 1 or 2 semesters, you see the kids just grow up just like trees.
How do you have such a positive classroom environment?
I think I always suggest my students to go to bed early, then they can have energy to learn the other day.